Alright guys, what's up? So, had a rare day off and wanted to give you guys an update on my garage and studio and what's going on. It does still exist. I know most of my videos come from the AOMC shop right now, but you know, I put a lot of money and time into this workshop and studio last year, and eventually it will get used. Right now it's pretty much just filling up with stuff, and then I take a day and clean everything out, and then over the next few months it slowly fills up with stuff, and then I take a day and clean it out, and it's just a cycle. But yeah, so it's springtime now, and time to get some of these bikes out of the garage, fired up, get them hooked up to the battery tender if they need to be. Focus. And just start getting things ready for the riding season. So show what we got going on. So I got the KLR out right here. This I think is about to go down the road to a buddy. It hasn't been started since last summer or before then. So I've got it on the battery tender. Nothing wrong with it. Ready to roll. Just got to get her fired up. The blue DR over there, I'm probably going to adjust that shock back to the higher position. And it fell over last year in the driveway and broke the handguard off, so I got to put that back on. I've got a video about to come out on the KX250, a couple things I'm putting on that, and that will be ever so close to done. I'm super excited. I didn't get to ride single track like one time all winter, so we have to make time in the spring to do it because I love that bike. Waiting on a couple parts here on the 110. I had worked on somebody's 110 and robbed like the clamp for the brake and some bolts off the bottom. Got to put those back on. The 350, it's going down the road, guys. I've been borrowing it from AOMC, kind of riding it like a demo bike for the last, oh heck, I've had it for almost a year now. So I'm going to give it back this week, and it's going to go down the road. The WR, I'm hopefully going to get a test ride in on it today on some back roads. I've test rode it on some trails and test rode it, you know, in the yard, but I haven't really got to get out and really let it stretch its legs. So I'm going to hopefully do that later today. Krista's 250L, good to go. I'm getting ready to put some hand guards on it. Her birthday's coming up. It's her birthday. Check out these puppies. It's almost like a... The white part almost looks like a carbon weave, and first when I glanced at these I thought they were kind of pink, but whenever you put it next to the Honda it's actually really close. So get these mounted up for her, and mainly just to block the wind, block a lot of the wind when she's riding this thing in the spring and the fall to work and stuff. So I'm going to do that, and I'll show you guys after video of that. Still have gold valves to put in her bike. This DR is ready to go, needs nothing. Of course, our 450s. The motocross two-stroke. I found this old scooter from my childhood in one of my barns, and I thought, man, it'd be a really cool video if I could get that running. So we'll see. Pitster Pro 110 here, rear brakes. The only thing wrong with this pit bike is the rear brakes quit working. It's just kind of hard to find. We tried to find some cheaper options for brakes, and I'm not sure if it's the master cylinder or the caliper. So once I get some time, I'm going to put all this back on and see what I can't do about getting those brakes working. Then we'll have 3 110 pit bikes to rip around and be able to do some cool little pitter videos. So yeah. Besides that, I'm just trying to do some major cleaning up in the shop here. Things just kind of piled up all winter, and it was too cold to be out here without running the heater. And then every time I'm running the heater, I realize how much money that's cost me to be out here. Studio, I haven't even put a doorknob on the door yet, but everything's good up there. Got the 3D printer, got the editing computer, and just no time to be on it yet. So yeah, but slowly but surely we will get it figured out. P-Dub, we're going to try to hide it over there in the corner because we let little man ride it. We told him that it belonged to a little girl, and she said he could ride it. but we had to give it back. So his birthday's in a couple months. So his birthday's in a couple months, and then we're gonna give it to him then. We keep asking him, like, Weston, we'll get you one just like it. Do you want red, orange, or white? And he's, no, I don't want to give this one back. I want this pink one. So I'm gonna put a blanket over or something. Hopefully he doesn't see it for a couple months.